So, you know, yeah, I think that's the secret to it, Steve. Is just give her full throttle and a little bit of up elevator.
That didn't look like any white knuckling at all.
No?
So you're just perfect. Get that bird.
He got out of my way.
He got out of your way.
Birds are quick, I tell you.
This thing is really kind of a radical ride.
Yeah, that bird didn't want anything to do with you.
He thought the buzzard was getting him, I guess.
I don't know if it's just a perception that this thing is so small, so it appears to be fast, but
No, it's fast.
Yeah, it's moving pretty good. Close to your other one. It may be a little faster. Notice you're flying lower than you used to.
me?
Yeah.
It translates better on film, I think. It gives you an idea of velocity with the background, you know.
Yeah.
I thought you just liked the ground, that's all.
Yeah, it makes it less damage, you know.
I expected you to end up in a tree.
Well, I did land that black and yellow foam board plane. I landed it on top of that white awning yesterday.
Yeah, white tin up there, you standing up,
Yeah,
reaching up.
But that tree out there, we call it the gas tank tree.
Oh yeah,
A lot of people hit that because it's hard to have the depth perception.
yeah. There was a couple of passes with this one. I thought, well, I better
Yeah.
start turning about now.
I always keep daylight between my plane and that treetop. I've seen a lot of people hit it.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I bet that one's so tall. If they hit it in the top, I bet it's a chore to get it down.
Well, most of them that I've seen hit it, the plane has hit it and went through it. You know,
Oh, okay.
so tore up the plane. Never stuck up to it.
Right.
It would probably stick.
All right, let's start bringing it around for a landing here. Just coasting in, coasting in. All right, that's a 64mm Stinger. Sorry, hat cam keeps slipping off my head. I gotta get a new hat. What I've done is on a switch, hopefully you can see it here on the radio, I just give it a little elevator mix. It's not much, you can see it here probably. When you hit that switch, and I found that just launching it underhand like that with full throttle, and as she starts climbing, just turn the switch off and she flies pretty good. This has been a learning adventure with this little 64. They fly great. I mean, they're a very super aerobatic plane. I fly with my ailerons down on 40% throw, and I think the elevator and rudder, I have it around 60 or 65, I can't remember. But that's about all my skill allows. Thanks for watching.